How to attract rich people into your life. How do you make friends with rich people? In my previous video, I talk about reasons why you may never become rich. And one of the reasons is you don't know anybody who is rich. That's one of the reasons you may never become rich, because show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. You know, understand? People, they ask me, so how do we become friends with rich people? How do we make friends with rich people? The easiest and quickest way to become friends with rich people or to attract rich people into your life is to become valuable. Because you need to understand the difference between a rich man and a poor man. A rich man is somebody who gives value. Is somebody who is, a rich man is a servant. If you see people who say they do well for life, he has money, it simply means they are giving more than you. That kind of water will be say you drink this morning, will quench your taste. Now somebody get them. So directly or indirectly, that person does serve you. It don't solve a problem for you, and you paid for that service. You paid for that product. That's why they have money. You know, understand? That's the only reason why they have money. Now, the question is, how do you become valuable? You become valuable by what? Having a skill or a talent that is needed by people. You see person like Naira Marley as Zinoliski. Zinoliski na just say nobody, normal boy will be say they do it for Instagram. They freestyle on Instagram. The talent connect them to Naira Marley. Today, his story change. You know that. So you might not have special talent like them Rema and them Fireboy will be say, he speak for, but you need to have a skill that is needed by the rich, that is needed by people. That's how you attract successful rich people into your life. Then secondly, you need to allow yourself to be used by people. People must use you. And some people go, they say, nobody go to use me. That's why you don't have money. Nobody will use you. That's why you don't have money, because people can only use you when you are useful. You understand? People can only use you when you are useful. When you are useful to people, people will come into your life effortlessly. The rich will come. They will come because you are usable. You are useful. They will come. You know that, because it's a win-win. As you they serve, you they upgrade their life in a particular way, and in turn, they will come with a reward. That reward is what you need to go to the next level. You understand? Thirdly, you must be known for something. What are you known for? It's about what you can give instead of what you can take. You know that, because for somebody to need you, it means they want you for something. So anytime they mention your name, wait till they come into people's mind. What can you do? You know that, be known for something. It will be very easy for people to connect with you when they know you for something. So that anytime that particular thing occur for their life, they know that guy, they do that thing. When you hear comedy, when you want to laugh, which person page they go? You go them Sabalo, them Mr. Funny, Sabinus, and their page they go. When you want to know about cars, who you they go meet? They go meet a lot of Lagos. When you need finances, business, person will go help you start up a meaningful business and finances. You want to go meet? Gege. You know that, so let them know you for something, and it will be very easy for people to connect with you. And many of them, they ask me, say, you where they talk now, how many rich people you know? Don Jazzy, they follow me for TikTok. Let's start from there. Thank you. Gege.